Hi friends, welcome to KMate Gates Education. So the question is here, a battery cell. Okay va? So question நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா it has a battery having EMF of 1.5 volts 1.5 volts and having internal resistance or internal resistance has 0.5 ohms. R connected in series and R external resistance is 2 ohms. What is current through this R external resistance? Okay, so a battery of EMF 1.5 volts having internal resistance or connected in series. Let's see here. So this is a battery of 1.5 volts and you have a 0.5 ohm and you have 1.5 volts. You have a 0.5 ohms, you have 1.5 volts, okay, 1.5 volts and you have a 0.5 ohms, and I am connecting to this external resistance of how much? 2 ohms. Okay, so idu na pandrathu, I am connecting to the external resistance 2 ohms. What is current I? So this is question. So apply KVL. So first na enna pandren, let apply KVL here. Okay, current flowing in this direction is given. So I am applying, so you know that current always leaves from positive terminal if it acts as a source. Okay, that means it is current leaving from positive terminal means it is delivering power. If current enters the positive terminal, it is absorbing power. Okay, it is absorbing power, right? So you see here, apply KVL. So I am applying from here, minus 1.5 plus I into 2 plus I into 0.5. So this is I into 0.5 minus 1.5 plus I into 0.5 minus 1.5 again minus plus I into 0.5 minus 1.5 I into 0.5 equal to 0. So you see here, minus 1.5 is 4 times is repeating, minus 1.5 into 4 plus I into 0.5 is repeating 4 times, I into 0.5 into 4 again I have I into 2 equal to 0, right? So I into 0.5 into 4 equal to I into 0.5 into 4 plus 2 equal to 1.5 into 4. Okay, so ninga pathina you have observed that I into 0.5 into 4 plus external resistance equal to 1.5 into 4. So this simply I am arranging like that. Ninga pathina I am simply replacing that I into, what is this resistance? Internal resistance or internal resistance into how many internal resistance? N into, okay, plus R external equal to battery volts into N. Simply I can write this as battery EMF E into N divided by R internal resistance into N by R external. So I simply replace that E by R internal resistance plus R external resistance by N. Simply substitute this 1.5 by internal resistance of 0.5 plus R external is 2 by 4. So 1.5 plus 0.5 plus 1 by 2, that equal to 1.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 1, that equal to 1.5 amperes. You can check here. Ninga pathina 0.5 into 4 evada 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 4 is cancel, you get 1.5. So simply if ninga pathina, so you can observe here the formula is if n batteries are connected in series having internal resistance, if n batteries having internal resistance, okay, having internal resistance or okay, are connected in series. What is the formula? I equal to simply E battery EMF by internal resistance plus R external resistance by N. Okay, so same question. Okay, same question. What I do here is same question. Battery EMF. The same question is repeated here. The same question is repeated of internal EMF of 1.5 volts, and you have a 0.5 ohms. Okay, is of 4 batteries, 1.5 and 0.5 ohms. 1.5 and 0.5 ohms are connected in parallel. Okay, so 1.5 ohms and 0.5 ohms are connected in parallel, and I have external resistance of 2 ohms. External resistance of 2 ohms. What is the current flowing through this 2 ohm resistance? Okay, so this is the question. So ninga pathina what we have seen in the series. Okay, what we have seen in the series, and now what you see in parallel. Let's see. Actually in the question kudukrappa nodal analysis poirum. What do you see? V minus 1.5 by 0.5, V minus 1.5 by 0.5, V minus 1.5 by 0.5, V minus 1.5 by 0.5 plus V by 2 equal to 0. This is something 4 into V minus 1.5 by 5 plus V by 2 equal to 0. If you solve this, you get the voltage. If you solve this, you get the voltage. From this, I equal to V by 2. Okay, so this is the actual procedure what we do in from nodal analysis. So what I do here is simply is all are connected in parallel. So you consider from here to here, all are connected in parallel. All are connected in parallel. I represent these are connected in parallel of 1.5 volts, 1.5 volts, 1.5 volts, 1.5 volts. I simply replace, all are parallel, I simply replace by 1.5 volts. Okay, and resistance all branches 4.5, 0.5, 0.5 in parallel. I simply replace by 0.5 by 4. Okay, this is 2 ohms and this is the current I. So what is current? Current equal to, what is the current? Current I equal to 1.5 by 2 plus 0.5 by 4. Okay, so 1.5, 2 plus 5 by 10, half 1 by 8. So 1.5, 8 to 16, 17 into 8. So I get this 1.5 into 8 by 17. Let's check here. So 5 by 10, 1 by 2, 8, V8 into V minus 1.5 plus V by 2 equal to 0. 8V plus V by 2 equal to 8 into 1.5. 8 to 16, 17 V by 2 equal to 8 into 1.5. Okay, so V equal to 8 into 1.5 into 2 by 17. Okay, so I equal to V by R. Okay, so 8 into 1.5 into 2 by 17 into R equal to 2. So 8 into 1.5 by 17. Okay, so what I do here is simply I replace all are parallel here. Okay, so all are parallel here. I simply replace, all voltages are same. So I single replace by single 1.5 voltage source in common. Okay, va? So 1.5 voltage source in common and all resistance in parallel. How many branches in parallel? 4 branches. I divide this. Okay, so you can see here I equal to, how can you find this formula? I equal to, what is the formula here? I equal to E by, okay, I equal to E by R internal resistance by N by R external. So this is the formula here. This is the formula here for when connected in parallel. Next question. So let's see the next question. a battery is discharged in 10 minutes, the capacity of the battery. So so you don't understand what is the capacity of the battery, and unit theriyala. Okay, I don't know the unit. Check the options first. So I can see the options that this is milli, this is milli, this is milli, this is milli, ampere hour, ampere hour, ampere hour, ampere hour. So ampere hour is the unit. Ampere hour is the unit for the capacity of the battery. Okay, so capacity of the battery is capacity of the battery unit is ampere hour. Okay, so the given option is 1590 900 milliampere hour. So what is the capacity? So capacity equal to 150 milliamperes into hour. What is hour? It is not given in hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 10 minutes equal to 10 by 60 hours. So 10 by 60 hours. So 10 6 6 5 6 3 is 12, 6 2 is 12, 30 6 5 is 30, 25 milliamperes. So capacity is 25 milliamperes hour. So this is 25 milliamperes hour. So நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம பேட்ரி பேங்க் எடுத்துக்கிட்டாலும் இல்லை பேட்ரி எடுத்துக்கிட்டாலும் செல்ஃபோனோட பேட்ரி. So it is given in milliampere hour. It is given in ampere hour. Okay, you can check it. Laptop charge எடுத்துக்கிட்டாலும் it is given in ampere hour. For example 1000, for example let us consider 1000 ampere hour. 1000 ampere hour. Okay, so let I consider 1000 ampere hour. So 1000 amperes 1 hour. So I can get 1000 ampere per hour. So 500 amperes into 2 hours I will get here. So I will get 250 amperes into 4 hours. 4 hours. So 1000 ampere hour. So உங்களுக்கு என்ன புரியுது இங்க அந்த what you understand here is okay, so as time increases ampere rating is decreases. As time increases ampere rating is decreases. As time increases ampere rating is decreases. Okay, so this is the question which we expect in TNEB and TRB political lecture exam. Okay, so as time increases what happens? Ampere is decreases if you consider the capacity of the battery. Okay, next question.